Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a dedicated server. First, you'll need to select a reliable hosting provider that meets your requirements. Consider factors like server specifications, bandwidth, and support. Once chosen, ensure you have a stable internet connection for remote access and management. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth setup process. Next, access your server's remote management interface, often a KVM over IP. From there, you can mount the operating system ISO image you wish to install. Carefully follow the on-screen prompts to configure partitions, user accounts, and other settings. This step is fundamental for getting your server operational and ready for use. After the OS is installed, configure your network settings, including static IP addresses and DNS. Crucially, set up a robust firewall to control incoming and outgoing traffic, blocking unauthorized access. Regularly install security updates and consider antivirus software to protect against potential threats. Maintaining strong security is paramount for any dedicated server. Finally, install all necessary applications and services required for your server's purpose, such as web servers or databases. Implement a regular backup strategy for all critical data to prevent loss. Continuously monitor server performance and resource usage, applying system and application updates promptly. Proactive maintenance ensures optimal performance and reliability.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.